Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you all how I created this Valentine's Day explosion box. So this is the pattern I drew for the first layer. You can go ahead and cut that out on your cartridge paper. Use a ruler to add crease wherever the lines are. Crease all four corners inwards so when you're ready to draw and cut your arts, they are more symmetrical. Use a round object or your free hands to draw heart shapes at each corner. Now cut the areas marked on the pattern. It should look something like this. This is the pattern for the second layer. When you cut the pattern into the cartridge paper, make sure that all the lines are straight and even because that will affect the whole project. Once it looks like this, go ahead and crease all the corners where the lines are marked. This is the pattern for the last layer. This box will be enclosed, so add 3/4 of an inch to 4 sides parallel to each other. You should know what to do next. Crease all the lines that are marked. Glue each fold to their adjacent sides. I got my Gorilla Glue, y'all. Finna glue my eyelashes. Please don't try this at home. Time to do the lids. This is the pattern for the smallest box. Cut that out onto your cartridge paper and then crease all the lines that are marked. The smallest box is 4 by 4 inches. Add about 0.4 centimeters to each line as seen on the pattern. Crease all 4 corners inwards and glue in place. The same is to be done for the other 2 lids, just add 0.4 centimeters to the original measurements.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
If you don't have access to glitter paint, you could use regular glue. Sprinkle a little glitter on it and then do a second coat of glue to prevent the glitter from falling off. While those dry, take 2 pieces of ribbon and glue them to the last lid. You don't necessarily have to do this, just choose whatever style or design you're into. Remember those squares you cut from the red box? Well, go in that trash can and take them out. I didn't tell you to throw them away. Now is the time you use them and glue them to the bigger box. And it will look something like this. I wanted it to look fancy, so I used my Cricut to cut out Happy Valentine's Day for the top lid. You will see that later. Cut small pieces of tulle, glue them onto your lid until it forms a flower. And this is what it should look like. I decided to add 2 foam hearts to this lid because I thought it looked cute. Glue all 3 layers together. At this point you can add anything you want to make your piece unique. If you want to see how I created these 2 cards, please go check out my previous video. As I said, make your creation unique. If you're giving it to a friend or a loved one, you can add their favorite chocolate, candy, some love notes, tell them why they're special to you, you know, or even some photos of you guys together. Just make it filled with love, you know. You have a lot of love inside of you, and you need to show the people around you that you care, you know, everything that's going on right now. The least you can do is let them know you care about them. Anyways, this is the final product, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you all so much for 100 subscribers. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment what you all think about this video. Oh my god. Anyways, bye.